Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2021 Matchbox. We have this power grab, and it is a 1976 Honda CVCC. It's still sealed. This was sent to me from my buddy Aaron from Two Lane Shenanigans on YouTube. And he does races and some unboxings. Cool guy and friend. Let's get this open. I like how they come in this little tissue paper inside there so they're not all rubbing up against the box. Oh, I like it a lot. That's cool. I like these old cars. From when I was a kid, you'd see a car like this riding down the road. And boy, it wasn't one of the good cars either. We didn't think it was cool at the time. Now I think it's awesome. It's got some retro to it. Steering is on the American side in this car. All that white is metal. There's a post right in there. Do you see that post? It's kind of dumb. The taillights and the license are really cool. It says Honda on the license. Plastic on the bottom. Now let's see how it rolls. Oh, it's got that sound like a truck. Not quite rolling back the way I was hoping. Ooh, not from the back either. Still a cool car. This definitely will be added to the Timmy's 10 Again collection. So we can get a couple of good shots of this. I like to get the minutes up to 3 minutes on the video, and then YouTube will show it on the sidebar. I'm told that if you don't do at least 3 minutes, they don't push your videos. So I will just keep talking for 20 more seconds just to get that 3-minute mark. And as always, thank you to everybody that has tuned in, and please subscribe to Timmy's 10 Again.